Hi, this is Mandy from Sunflowers and Doors and welcome back to my channel. Welcome today to a new kit. That is all we are doing, is I'm just going to give you a run through of a new kit. This one is called Little Ones. It's in my Etsy. Unfortunately at the moment we can't sell to Europe or Northern Ireland. And apparently that includes digital kits, so I've had to put some restrictions in my Etsy, but if there is a restriction and you think you're not affected, or you're not your country's not listed but it's not in Europe or Northern Ireland, then please get in touch. So anyway, as I said, it's called Little Ones, and yeah, I love it. So I'm just going to run through with you. So there's lots of journal stroke journal stroke backing pages and stuff. I've gone with a couple of different tones here. So we've got some blues and greys in this one. This one we've got some greys and pinks and some beiges. This one here we've got some more blues, a bit of a rusty, grungy kind of feel to it, but not too much. So hopefully it won't put you off. We've got some greens in this one here. Absolutely adore this one. And there are lots and lots of choices of backing pages and journal pages. So yeah, lots of choice, so you can choose what you like. It's a bit of a whopping kit. And there's a lot of textural elements to this one. So yeah, so that one's quite similar to this one here. So as I said, you've got different options for any of the ones that perhaps might not be for you. This one with a little bit of text behind, just so it's not quite so plain. Love that one as well. These little ones are adorable. You can probably see some lines down some of these. That is my printer. That is not in the image, unfortunately. I don't know if you can see it here, some lines. My printer, unless you put it on best, it just puts these lines through everything. So, which is a bit frustrating, but hey ho. And then we've got a page with all different kind of like invoices and documents and stuff behind. And we've got some plain pages. And I've split these so that they actually cover 2 pages. The kit is A4. That's another plain one. The kit is A4, designed A4. If you're in America, then you'll just need to resize it. So we have got a series of tags, 2 different shape tags, medium, small size tags. Then we've got a set of tags with some tabs attached to them. We've got some plain ones, so you can choose to kind of make your own or go plain if you'd like. Then we've got some pockets, some small and some deeper pockets there. Another set there. This I use as either a belly band or as a double tuck pocket. What I tend to do is attach this to my journal. Most of my journals are A5 size, so I'd attach this to my journal. I'd either attach it top and bottom to give me a belly band, or you could attach it on 3 sides to give you a pocket, or you could attach it on the 2 sides to give you a tuck, and then you can put this piece on top here, either top and bottom to give you an additional belly band, and then there's a little pocket that pops down the bottom of that piece as well, just a little mini pocket for some tickets. And there's just a couple of different options there that I've kind of added to the text. We've got some specimen cards. We've got some envelopes. Now these are obviously ribbon spools, but I've done these as giant ones, and again these are classed as, I've done them for belly bands. So this one here you would attach top and bottom and give yourself a full size belly band, or you could attach just these bits and give yourself a belly band down that way. But I've also put a piece here which matches perfectly in the centre, and that gives you another hidden belly bands if you attach that just on two sides, or you could attach it just as a tiny little pocket. But yeah, so they are some giant belly bands. We've got our frames, and there's a series of different frames in these ones. We've got some bingo cards. We have got some guest checks and some smaller bingo cards which are plain, just to use to pop into some pockets. And then this one here is the final page. It's, I was umming and ahhing about whether to put it in or not, but it's I wanted to do some larger tabs, and then I've done some absolutely humongous tabs, and I'm not sure you'll ever use that one there, but this one here would fit on an A5 size journal. So that one is kind of like just a bit of a I wasn't going to include it, then I was going to include it, then I wasn't. So it's not kind of part of the kit. It's more of a just a an add-on, giant tabs. Perfect for the edge of your papers. So that is the new kit, and as I said, it's called Little Ones. Loved it, really enjoyed it. It is in my Etsy. There are some freebie papers that are in the Junk Journal Fix with Sunflowers and Doors Facebook group. I will detail that below, so if you're not part of that group or you haven't heard of us, then there's been a couple of freebies over the last, we have a freebie digital every Friday, and there's been a couple over the last couple of weeks that have been linked to this kit, so they are there. If you are not a member of the group, then please just remember to agree to the terms and conditions, the rules, when you apply to join, and the freebies are there for you, so grab them if you haven't already. So I hope you enjoy it. Would love to know what you think. Please pop a comment in the comment section below, and I will catch you very soon. Until then, as always, stay safe and we'll speak soon. Bye for now.